This video is sponsored by the brand Nordic Elk.
So you have the mattress moving bag from Nordic Elk, and in this video I'm going to show you what you receive and then how you get this thing onto your mattress so you know exactly what to expect when the product arrives. But this can be what you receive. You get the mattress bag. What's really nice about this is basically like a heavy duty tarp. So hopefully you can see there a little close up. This thing is not going to let any water in. It's not going to rip on you. It's super nice. Zippers all the way around, and there also is handles on the tarp itself to help you when you're carrying your mattress. But how you get this on your mattress is very easy. You just want to lay it flat on the ground and then just put your mattress in there. So I'm going to do that right now so you can see what that process looks like. Okay, so now that we got it laid flat on the ground, you just got to get your mattress into the actual bag. And it's really simple. Just lay it flat on there. Just want to tuck in the corners. And now that we got the corners tucked in, we just fold it over, zip it up, and you are good to go. Here's what it's going to look like when it is zipped up. I have a 6-inch mattress, so there is a little room on here, but just let you know that if you do have like an 8 or 10, 12 inch, it's going to be perfectly fine. There's more than enough room for any size mattress. Down here you have a little name tag so you know what's in here. Then you have the handles on the side, and there's going to be 4 of them on that side and 4 on this side. So overall, this cannot be easier. It goes on there in seconds. It's waterproof, dust proof, going to protect your mattress for you when you're moving or storing it, or whatever you got to do. So overall, super happy with this. 2 thumbs up.